I lived in Home Park for a couple years when I was a student, lived on campus my first year, and then I was in Home Park after that. So I definitely kind of understand what it's like to walk home from the library at 2 o'clock by yourself. We're making contact with anyone that seems like a suspicious person. If someone's walking up between houses as opposed to along the sidewalk or down the street, something like that, we're going to make contact with those people. What we're doing is anybody that's walking by themselves, and whatnot, we're seeing if they need a ride to wherever they're going, or just if everything's okay. Hey, how you doing tonight? Do you need a ride anywhere or anything, or are you good?
Can I roll up in style?
Yeah, absolutely. Be aware of your surroundings. If at all possible, don't walk by yourself after dark.
Thank you for the ride, by the way.
Yeah, no problem.
You look really cool. All right.
Be safe tonight.
Well, thank you very much. Have a great night.
Students definitely need to not be walking with a tablet or a laptop out. Not only are you being distracted by your electronic device, you're also advertising what valuables that you're carrying that someone could rob you of. Probably the best thing that I could recommend is don't walk around with earbuds or earphones, because that's going to make it much, much easier for someone to come up behind you without you realizing it. If it's a dimly lit area, just every so often look behind you, look around you. Don't just be focused straight ahead where you're going. Don't be looking down at your feet. Usually criminals look for the easiest target around. If you appear to be aware of your surroundings and you're trying to be as safe as you possibly can when you're walking through an area, they're likely to pass by. Most of our activities take place right around the edge of the campus or in our off-campus jurisdiction that we have. We try to create a bubble area around campus, showing police presence in the area, so that if anyone from off campus wants to come to Georgia Tech and commit crimes or anything like that, we're going to be a visible deterrent. Sure everybody's being safe while they're walking.
Yeah, thank you very much. It's a lot. But
okay, be safe tonight.
yeah, same.
To me, probably the most rewarding aspect of it is to truly help to protect that campus community that helped me so much in those years that I was a student. I was an active member of the marching band, and just really got into the Georgia Tech culture as being a student and whatnot. So it's been extremely rewarding to get to give back to students, to help just keep the campus safe.